Class, our today's new topic is volume, and the definition of volume is the space occupied by an object is called volume. It means any object which occupy space, we can say that is volume. But if I am talking about this figure, class, you can see it's a length, this is a breadth. Because of length and breadth, we can measure here area. So you all know area is equal to length into breadth. But if I want to put something in this area, that is not working because of this area is a two-dimensional figure. So only length and breadth is there is no height, so we are not able to hold anything in this area. But if I am talking about this box, class, it has a length, there is a breadth, and there is a height also. So because of this height, we can put something in this box because of this height. If there is no height, then it's very difficult for us. So class, when we have a height, then we can say length into breadth into height, that is equal to volume. And this volume has a specific space, and you can see in this box also we have a space, and we can put anything in this box just because of this height. So when, class, we have a height with length and breadth, we can say that is volume, and because of that we can occupied a specific space. So it means anything, any object which holds the things that contain a specific volume. Like this, you can see this cone has a specific volume, that's why it can hold this ice cream. This Ludo dice has a length, breadth and height. This matchstick box, length, breadth and height. This tea, length, breadth and height. This box also has a volume. So these all shapes contain a specific volumes, and we have a specific figures, and according to that we have named them. When you have a same length, breadth and height, we can say that is cube. It means if you have a same size of length, like this, class, if this length is 5 centimeter, this breadth is 5 centimeter, and this height is also 5 centimeter, then we can say this is cube. If I am talking about cuboid, so we can say L into B into H, those are different. So this is cuboid, where your length, breadth and height is different. This is cylinder, this is cone, this is sphere, and they have a specific formula for volume. But in this time we are concentrating only on cube and cuboid. So you all know in cube, if you have given one side, then you can easily find the L into B into H, that is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, 125. And if you have a cuboid, that means 5 into 4 into 3, 60. But class, except that they contain a specific unit like centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. So we have to multiply centimeter, centimeter and centimeter here also and here also. And centimeter into centimeter into centimeter equal to centimeter cube. It means centimeter cube is the unit of volume. Understand? If your sides are given in meter, so at that time meter cube is your unit. So meter cube, centimeter cube, millimeter cube, these all are your unit of volume. And now, class, they give you here each cube has a volume 1 centimeter cube. As I told you, centimeter cube is the unit of volume. So here, if this box contain 1 centimeter cube volume, this box also 1 centimeter cube volume, and this box also 1 centimeter cube volume. We have 3 boxes here. So the volume is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 centimeter cube. And now in second one, class, we can see 1 cube is here, 1 cube is here. So it's in the second row. In first row, 1 cube is here and 1 cube is just downwards to this cube. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. So 7, centimeter cube. In this figure you can see here 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 3 ja 12 centimeter cube. 12 cubes are here, so each cube contain 1 centimeter cube volume, so 12 centimeter cube volume. So class, in these figures you can see in first figure your length, breadth and heights are same 5 5 5. When you multiplied it 5 meter into 5 meter into 5 meter, that is equal to 125 meter into meter into meter, meter cube. In second shape class you can see in second figure you can see class your length is 6, breadth is 4 and this is your height 8. So 6 length, 4 breadth, 8 height. 6 into 4 into 8, that is equal to 192 meter cube. Meter into meter into meter, meter cube. In third figure you can see length 6, breadth 5, height 2. 6 5 2. By multiplying it you will get 60 meter cube. In D 4 4 4 4 4 4, 64 meter cube. In E 2.5 is the side, so 2.5 2.5 2.5, by multiplying it we can get 15.625. Rest of the question you can do. In class, volume equal to L into B into H, and if you want to calculate L, at that time this B and H is going downwards. So class, if you want to calculate L, at that time L equal to V upon B into H. If you want to calculate B, at that time breadth equal to V upon L into H. And if you want to calculate height, that means V upon L into B. Only we can do one thing here. Whatever we want to calculate, the rest of the part should be downside with volume. So you all know class, when we multiply any number and if we want to take that in the other side, that is in the form of division. So V divided by B into H, V divided by L into H, V divided by L into B. So class, these formulas are used when you have provided volume and two sides of the object. At that time you can get the other side. So these formulas are very important for volume. So in this question they gave you 300 meter cube is the volume of this shape. They gave you L, this is your L, 15 meter. They gave you B, that is equal to 5 meter, and they ask you about height. So height is equal to volume upon L into B. So volume upon L into B, that is equal to 4. In question number B class, they gave you 33 meter cube volume. If I am talking about length, this is the length 5.5 meter. If I am talking about breadth, we have to find the breadth, and height is 2 meter. So height is equal to 2 meter. So breadth equal to volume upon L into H. What is your volume? 33 upon L into H. L into H means class 5.5 meter into 2 meter. So 5.5 into 2, meaning is 11. In this time class, no need to write any unit because the unit of breadth is meter, we all know. So 33 upon 11 means 3 meter is your answer. In question number C class, they ask you about L. They ask you about L. The breadth is 4.2, so B equal to 4.2. They gave you volume 126 meter cube, and they ask you about length, and what is your height? 3 meter. So your length is equal to volume 126 upon 4.2 into 3, 12.6. The meaning is 126 upon 12.6 means class 10 meter. So this is your length, 10 meter. So you can solve question number D by your own. In question number 4 class, you can see complete the table. They gave you L, B, H and volume. So they gave you L, B and H, and they ask you about volume. So multiplied them and you will get the answer. L, B, H multiplied, you get the answer. Centimeter and centimeters are here, so centimeter cube. Here also centimeter cube. But in this question class, they gave you L, they gave you H, they gave you V, and they ask you about B. So what is the formula? V upon L into H. By this you can get the B. So V upon L into H. 12 into 6, 792 upon 12, 11 centimeter is your answer. Here also they give you L and H and they ask you about B. So formula is V upon L into H. V 840 upon L into H. 15 into 4, 60. So 840 upon 60, the meaning is 14 centimeter. In this question, they gave you B, H and V and they ask you about L. So L equal to V upon B into H. By solving this, you will get the answer 12 centimeter.